everybody, I'm Chef Maria, the Fit Foodie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a good tasting baked tortilla shell. Now oftentimes when you go out and you get a taco salad that's in a tortilla shell, it's just loaded with fat and calories because it's deep fried. I'm going to show you just really simply how to make one that's baked, tastes great, and is half the calories in fat. So first, I'm going to start with a gluten-free tortilla. A lot of people out there with gluten sensitivities these days, and you can find delicious tasting gluten-free or even whole grain tortillas that are a better option for white flour tortillas. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of nonstick cooking spray, and then I'm going to take a pretty small to medium-sized ramekin, enough to where I can place the tortilla in and give it that nice ruffled edge that looks so pretty. I'm going to bake that in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes or until it starts to get a little golden brown. Sometimes I also like to season it with a little bit of ground chili pepper and some cumin, a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit goes a long way. I'll bake that, and then I'm ready to fill it with a variety of different healthy ingredients like black beans, avocado, lettuce, grilled chicken, you name it, make it your own. It's a really simple tip, easy to make, and super delicious. I hope you'll try this and let me know what you think.